Hi, what's going on? Welcome to Driver Installer, and today, I will show you how to update your computer drivers. In this video, I will show you two methods that you can use to update your drivers. The first of these methods is very simple and the second requires a little more work, but both will help you to update your drivers. Before we start, if you want to know more tricks like these, make sure to subscribe. We start with the first method. You are going to right-click on a Windows icon, then you are going to choose Device Manager. If you have not found this option, you can also type in the Start menu Device Manager. This window opens with a list of devices and drivers. To update any driver, the first thing you have to do is search for your device. In my case, I want to update the driver of a sound device. Right-click, choose Update Driver, and finally search automatically for drivers. Windows will search for the latest drivers for your device. Keep watching this video because now I will show you the most complete method. For this second method, go to Google. Then you are going to type Driver Booster. Click on the first result. Once inside the website, you are going to click on this button, and the download should start automatically. Once the download is finished, you will open the installation. Now follow the instructions to install the program correctly. If these options are shown in the installation, you are going to uncheck them and then click on Install. Decline these offers and continue with the installation. If you get more offers, again, you will reject them. The installation is finished. Now click on this button and the program will start scanning all the drivers on your computer. At the end of this process, you will be informed how many drivers are out of date. To update these drivers, you are going to click on this button, and then the program will guide you through the process. In this video, you have learned two simple methods with which you can update your drivers. If you want to continue learning, watch this video, and don't forget to subscribe.